The following animation summarizes your tasks in the 5 steps of the basic workflow. Step 1. Based on your individual plant structure, you create the process technique. The process technique contains all required signals. The signals are images, either of types or better yet of default values, in other words, of types with pre-assigned values. Step 2. You define the system technique. In other words, the sum of all automation units in your plant structure. Step 3. With the assignment of the signals to inputs and outputs, you define the link between process technique and system technique. Step 4. You start the transformation of the data into a destination-specific format. Step 5. You load the transformed data into the connected automation units. With that, you have taken care of all tasks of the basic workflow.